Hello everyone. John Wendell again with Keller Realty, and I have a treat for you today. We are going to be looking at a remodeled modern home over here in old Preston Hollow in Dallas, Texas. I have an absolutely gorgeous home to show you today. This home has a little over 13,104 square feet. It's on 1.1 acres. It has 6 bedrooms, 9 baths, 3-car garage, a 2,000 square foot guest house also that you're absolutely going to love on here. The surrounding area, this is gated. It is upscale as you want to be. So security is high over in this area, and it's close to downtown Dallas, close to shopping, beautiful schools. Just an absolutely gorgeous area over here. So if this is the first time to my channel and you want to see more videos, please subscribe. I invite you to click that button, also the bell, to be alerted to any new videos that come out on a weekly basis. But anyway, let's go check out this absolutely gorgeous house. I think you're gonna love it. Was I right? Was I right on this tour? Absolutely gorgeous house. It is for sale. If you're interested, give me a holler. Again, I'm John Wendell with Keller Williams Realty. My contact information is below. Again, we have a little over 13 square feet in the main house and over 2,000 square feet on the 2-story pool house on 1.1 acres. It is absolutely stunning. My video, I tried my best on here, but I gotta tell you, if you came and saw this thing in person, you would absolutely find the money to move in here. So subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit the bell to be alerted to next videos, and I will see you on the next one.